what's good everyone? Today I'm going to be deriving the quadratic formula from a general polynomial of degree 2 and then using calculus to get the quadratic formula. So if we have a polynomial of degree n where n equals 2, that's a polynomial of degree 2. It's ax squared plus b with unknown coefficients with plus bx plus c. Let's set that equal to y. It's now a function. If we take the first derivative with respect to x, we get 2ax plus b. I'm going to square it, dy dx squared, not the second derivative, but the first derivative squared. It's going to be equal to 2ax plus b squared. That's going to multiply out to 2ax squared, which is 4a squared x squared. The cross terms will be 2abx, and there are two of them. That's 4abx plus b squared. The first two terms have a 4a in common. I'm going to factor that out. 4a times ax squared plus b squared. And then now I'm going to use some information from back up here. Let y equal 0. We get ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. I'm going to solve for c. Ax squared plus bx equals minus c. There's an ax squared plus b. Okay, I factored out the 4a. This is a bx in here. I messed that up. Ax squared plus bx equals minus c. I'll plug minus c right in there. 4a times minus c plus b squared equals the first derivative squared. To get the first derivative back, I'm going to take the square root. Dy dx equals plus or minus the square root of minus 4ac plus b squared. That's equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Why is it plus or minus? Because that's what happens when you take the square root of something. The positive value squared gives you a negative times a negative is a positive, positive times a positive is a positive. So it doesn't matter, it can be either or. That's why the plus or minus is there. So we have plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac is equal to the first derivative. The first derivative is also equal to 2ax plus b, as I showed right here. So I'm going to set that equal to this, 2ax plus b. So we have two expressions for the first derivative. They're both equal to the first derivative. I'm going to set them equal to each other and then solve. Let me do some erasing real quick. Two expressions for the derivative set equal to each other. Solve for x minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Divide by 2a over 2a is equal to x. Pretty easy little trick to derive the quadratic formula from a general polynomial of degree 2 using calculus. Thank you for watching.